Exercise 1.1 NCERT solutions. Question number 1. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of. Now we will start the solution. Solution. Question number 1. Here are the two numbers on which we have to find the HCF. The numbers are 135 and 225. Using Euclid's division algorithm, here we have to take two numbers. Let A equals to 225 and B equals to 135. Using Euclid's division algorithm, the formula is A equals to B into Q plus R. Here A is 225 and B is 135. So now we will put the value in equation 1. So the number is 225 equals to 135 into 1 plus the remainder will be 90. Here R is the remainder. So we will get the remainder 90. Now again, now A will become 135 and B will become 90. Again using the formula and put the value in equation 1, we will get 135 equals to 90 into 1 plus the remainder will be 45. Now again A will become 90 and B will become 45. Put in equation 1. So we will get 90 equals to 45 into 2 plus 0. Now the remainder will be 0. Here R equals to 0. Hence HCF will become 45. Second question. Numbers are 196 and 38220. Using algorithm method, Euclid's algorithm method, here A equals to 38220 and B equals to 196. Using in the formula which we have written in the question number 1, A equals to B into Q plus R. A is 38220 is equal to B is 196. So 196 into 195. It is perfectly divisible. So the remainder here will be 0. So we got R equals to 0. Hence HCF will be 196. Now third question. numbers are 867 and 225. Here A will be 867 and B will be 225. Using Euclid's division method, using the formula A equals to B into Q plus R. A is 861 is equal to, and B will be 225 into 3, and the remainder here will be 102. Again now A will become 225 and B will become 102. Again putting in formula, we will get 225 is equal to 102 into 2, and remainder will be 51. Again A will become 102 and B will become 51. Putting in formula, we will get 102 is equal to 51 into 2 plus now remainder will be 0. Here R equals to 0. Hence HCF will become is equal to 51.